Those LED beacons at the top. Hi everybody, today I'm in a 2022 Iveco Daily recovery truck, 6-speed manual gearbox. This really is a beautiful bit of kit. Let's do an engine start for you. Let's turn that down a minute. I think the driver likes his music. Right, so let's press the clutch pedal and fire her up. Lovely and smooth. Look at that, what a beautiful engine. Click through the dashboard, vehicle info. Gorgeous. Gives you the economy. Look at that. All the information that you need. Just gonna get you to here under the engine as well. This vehicle has done only 607 miles. That's right, 607 miles. What a gorgeous bit of kit. So here we are, under the bonnet. Put a bit of light on that for you. Practically new, this vehicle. Washer bottle, brake fluid. Look at that brake fluid, clear. Dipstick, engine oil, header tank. Sorry about the traffic noise in the background, but let's get you to listen to this engine. Going to rev it 5 times for you. There we go. Let's go back inside. And before we go, just got to show you the beacons. Those LED beacons at the top. Right then, I suppose we better switch it off. Let's just put that window up. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. One of my favourite vans, this one.